Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. So today we are using these molds, and the star of the show are these neon pigments, and these are mica powders. And I have mixed my resin beforehand and 6 empty containers, and now I will be mixing them into the resin, and I will be adding small amount of resin into these cups and adding the mica powders. So I have used these mica powders previously in my Just One Eye tutorials, and they came out really great. So I wanted to see how they will come out in resin. So one thing I need to say is that you need a lot of mica powder for these neon colors to appear. So you can see the resin is very less, but I have taken a fair amount of mica powder and I'm mixing it into the container. So after mixing my colors, what I'm doing here is I started to pour them individually into the lines, but later on they got mixed up, but still I tried my best. So I thought it would be easy, but the lines are really small, so the colors do blend into each other. So that's not a problem. And for aesthetic point of view, I might sometime later on make a video, and I will add little by little amount of resin into these compartments, so it can come out really neat. But for now, this is not my main concern because I want the colors to blend with each other. It's really fun to watch these bright colors mixing into each other. One thing that I noticed here is I thought these will be turning out into opaque, but I can see they are a bit on the transparent side. But we'll see how they turn out. They are done now and we let it cure. So this is the next day, and what I'm doing here is I have taken white pigment paste and I will be doing a layer of this white pigment mixed in resin on the top of these colors. And here I have poured my white resin and we let it cure. So this is the third day, and let's demold. So this is how the neon pigments turned out. So there is a mixed feeling about it. uh, they are a bit on the neon sides, but let's see. So the idea here is that I will be using this gilding glue onto the top of the lines. You will see what I'm doing here. So randomly on the raised edges I will be using this gilding glue. So after applying, I let it dry for around 7 to 8 hours. So these are all dried out now and they are clear and sticky. So it's time to use the gold foil. So this time you will see a very different gold foil I'm using here. I'm using a holographic gold foil here. And I will be rubbing it slowly onto the glue. So I'm applying slowly onto the edges. So it's really fun to see the holographic foil transfer itself onto the coasters. So after applying the gold foil, I have taken this mold. It's by Mold and Shape, and it's their holographic mold. And what I'm doing here is I am adding a very thin layer of resin, clear resin, into the mold. So what I'm doing here is I am adding these coasters into the mold and they are a perfect fit. Actually, what I'm doing here is that I will now top coat these coasters with the resin. So now I will let it cure. So somehow I missed the video where I demolded these, but in this one what I did is the same thing. That I poured the resin into the molds and I put the other side to get the holographic effect. I think you understand what I'm saying here. And what happened to the back of the coaster, don't ask me, it was a very big mishap. But later on I just sanded the back of the coasters and top coated again. And so this is how the front turned out. I totally have done all the steps that I wanted to do in the making of this coaster, but somehow the holographic gold foil has lost its beauty. I think it's because of the top layer of the resin, but somehow the mold Holographic effect gave it a beauty, and I think I'm in love with them because they are bright and fun to look at, and also they are playful. So yeah, I always try to do something really different, and sometimes it do turns out great, and sometimes it's in between. You can say it's good and you have no comments about it, but I think they are good to look at, and the colors underneath the holographic effect surely do give it a different look. And I have seen that the base of the colors really affect the holographic effect. So this was a tutorial and I hope you like it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments. Also, if you do try this technique, it might turn out amazing. Also, your suggestions and comments are always welcome, and thumbs up if you like the video, and you haven't subscribed, please considering do so, and like, subscribe and share. Take care. Bye bye.